If you're in marketing, we know these things frustrate you. That's why we're here to change the game forever. When you subscribe to AdWorld Pro, you get proven strategies and frameworks from the best marketers in the world. We're talking about great minds like Ryan Deiss, Seth Godin, Neil Patel, Michelle Romanow, Molly Pittman, and hundreds of other experts talking about Facebook ads, TikTok ads, AI and advertising, growth hacking, affiliate marketing, content marketing, media buying, and the list goes on. And accessing the platform is a breeze. Just scroll through our homepage to find the masterclass you want to take and add it to your list. You can then add the masterclass you'd like to watch to your list, and it'll show up under My List tab on the top of the page. If you have something specific in mind, you can just use the search bar and search for the topics you'd like to learn. It's that simple. You get hours and hours of content, anywhere from beginner to intermediate to advanced. You can also download tried and true frameworks and templates to use for work directly. To top that, new masterclasses get added monthly, so you'll never run out of things to learn. Community is everything. Join thousands of like-minded marketers in the AdWorld Community Facebook group to learn, network, and get the support you need. Our members have said that AdWorld Pro is the one-stop shop for everything they need to advance in their career. Whether you want to land that promotion, grow your business, or scale your agency, AdWorld Pro is going to get you one step closer to that goal.